Hello, kiddos. Have you ever wondered where snow comes from? How does the world go from sunny and warm to chilly and covered in fluffy white snow? Well, get cozy, because I'm about to tell you a magical story about the journey of a single snowflake way up in the sky. Tiny water droplets float around in big puffy clouds. These droplets love to dance and play, but when the air gets cold or something amazing happens, instead of staying as liquid water, they start to freeze into tiny sparkly ice crystals. These little crystals don't stay alone for long. They find their friends and stick together, growing bigger and bigger. And just like that, a snowflake is born. But wait, how does the snowflake get all the way down to us? That's where gravity, the invisible force that pulls things down, comes in. Once the snowflake is big enough, it starts its exciting journey down, twirling through the sky like a tiny ballerina. As the snowflakes fall, they make soft piles on the ground, covering trees, houses, and even your backyard in a beautiful white blanket. That's when the real fun begins. Snowball fights, sledding, building snowmen. Oh, the possibilities, but snow doesn't stay forever. When the sun comes out and the air gets warmer, the snowflakes melt back into water. Some of this water soaks into the ground to help plants grow, while some goes back up into the sky to form clouds again. And guess what? The whole adventure starts over. So the next time you catch a snowflake on your glove, take a good look at it. No two snowflakes are ever the same. Each one is unique as you are. And now you know the magical journey of how snowflakes are made. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Stay warm, have fun, and keep wondering about the amazing world around you. If you liked this video, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on our next adventure.